Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make medium roast coffee. Achieving a delicious cup starts with understanding a few key steps. We'll begin by selecting the right beans and then move on to the crucial process of grinding them just before you brew. Next, we'll cover the ideal water temperature and the precise coffee-to-water ratio, ensuring you get the most flavorful extraction every single time. Let's dive in and brew a perfect cup together. First, let's talk about grinding your beans. For a medium roast, aim for a grind size similar to table salt. This consistency allows for optimal extraction. Always grind your whole beans right before brewing to preserve their aromatic oils and fresh flavor. Next, the water. Use filtered water heated to a precise temperature, ideally between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. This range is critical for extracting the best notes from your coffee without over or under extracting. Now let's discuss the coffee-to-water ratio, which is fundamental for a balanced brew. A widely recommended starting point is a 1:16 ratio, meaning 1 part coffee to 16 parts water. For instance, if you're brewing 6 ounces of water, you would use approximately 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. You can use various brewing methods like pour-over, French press, or a standard drip machine. Feel free to slightly adjust this ratio to perfectly match your taste preferences. Finally, let's cover some essential tips for that perfect cup. Depending on your chosen brewing method, aim for a brewing time of approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Once brewed, serve your coffee immediately to savor its peak freshness and aroma. Remember to regularly clean all your brewing equipment. This prevents old coffee oils from affecting future brews. Lastly, store your whole beans in an airtight container, away from light and heat, to maintain their quality.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.